Mastering casual greetings. Hey, how's it going? Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the English language and make it fun and easy to learn. Today, we're going to explore a very common and casual greeting. Hey, how's it going? This phrase is a staple in everyday English conversations, and understanding its nuances can help you sound more like a native speaker. So, let's break it down together. Hey, how's it going? Is a casual greeting used among friends, peers, or even in informal settings with acquaintances. It's a friendly way to ask someone about their well-being or how their day is proceeding. This phrase embodies the casual and relaxed nature of certain English-speaking cultures, emphasizing a sense of community and interest in one another's lives. Hey is an informal greeting, equivalent to saying hello. It grabs the listener's attention in a relaxed manner. How's is a contraction of how is, which is used to inquire about the state or condition of something. It refers to life, the day, or the situation at hand, depending on the context. Going suggests movement or progression, asking indirectly about how things are proceeding or developing. When someone asks you, "Hey, how's it going?" they're usually expecting a brief and general update on your well-being, not a detailed account of your life. Appropriate responses could be, "Good, thanks. And you? Not too bad. Yourself? Pretty well. How about you?" It's also a chance to share a quick snippet of your life if you wish to engage in a longer conversation. However, keeping it brief and returning the question is the most common practice. There are several variations of, "Hey, how's it going?" that you might hear, including, "How's it hanging? What's up? How are you doing? All good?" Each of these phrases serves a similar purpose but may vary slightly in the level of formality or the specific context in which they are used. Understanding casual greetings like, "Hey, how's it going?" is crucial for navigating everyday conversations in English. It's more than just a phrase. It's an entry into a world of informal communication that opens doors to deeper connections and understanding among speakers. We hope this video has shed some light on this common greeting and you feel more comfortable using it in your conversations. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.